Elif statements in Python. How to use Elif statements in Python. The Elif statement is used in Python for decision making. Decision making is required when we want to execute a code only if a certain condition is satisfied. Examples of Elif statements are: if 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, print correct. Elif 1 plus 1 is equal to 3, print nice try. Elif statements exercise in Python. Write a Python program that asks the user for the answer of 20 plus 20. If the user enters 40, the program has to return correct. Or if the user enters 19 or 21, the program should return nice try. But if the user enters any other number, the program should return wrong. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to ask the user for the answer of 20 plus 20. So let's name a variable called addition. And let's set that equal to an integer because 20 plus 20 is an integer, and int is a short form of integer in Python. Next, we'll create two pairs of parentheses. In the first one, we'll write input because we want to ask the user and let them input their answer. In here, we'll put our prompt in quotes. Here we'll ask them for the answer of 20 plus 20. So, what is 20 plus 20? And then, if the user enters 40, the program has to return correct. So if the addition is equal to 40, the program has to return correct. So it'll print correct in the terminal. So far, the program is saying that the first line is basically asking the user for the answer of 20 plus 20. And then the second line is saying if the answer to the addition, or if the number that the user entered is equal to 40, and then you have to put a colon because we're doing an if statement. Next, it'll automatically indent the next line. If the addition is equal to 40, then the program has to print correct in the terminal. Okay, but what if the user enters 19 or 21, which is pretty? What if the user enters 39 or 41? Those two answers are pretty close to the original answer, which is 40. They're both only one off. So here, what we'll do is create an Elif statement. After an if statement, when we want to add another condition, we have to use an Elif statement. So Elif addition is equal to 39 or addition is equal to 41, colon, print nice try. Okay, this line of code is saying else if, or otherwise if the answer to the addition question is 39 or the answer to the addition question is 41, print nice try. Next, what if the user enters any other number, the program should print wrong. So else, otherwise, if it's none of these two statements or conditions above, it should print wrong. So let's run this program. What is 20 plus 20? If I enter 40, it will say correct. If I enter 41, I'm only one off, so it should print pretty nice try. And let's try entering 39. Nice try. And what if I enter something like 50? It'll say wrong. And this is how you can use Elif statements in Python.